Yo, yo, yo! Y'all can hear me or what's goody? I'm gonna check my phone. Spam some W's in the chat if y'all can hear me. Spam some motherfucking W's. Y'all can hear me or what's goody? I guess it's a little bit behind. Bro, it's literally because right before I went live, I dropped everything and everything paused. That was crazy. I don't know what the hell this random lo-fi stuff is. What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for being back. If you guys were here on the last live stream, if you are not a returner and you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We're here a couple times during the week, and we're here to just good vibes, good community, good trades, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stick around. But do I sound clear, guys? Am I sounding okay and stuff? We have a lot to go over from last night's London session and stuff. Bros. Let me check something. Let me check something. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Okay, now we're caught up. I don't know if we were super lagged. All right, let's get into it, guys. I want to go into the charts, kind of go over what happened yesterday, as well as go into what we're looking for today. The first thing I want to go over is that if you're looking at gold, and once again, guys, if you guys come to the live streams and you pay attention to literally anything I talk about, you'll be able to walk out of these live streams with not only some value, but some free trades and stuff. Like we were talking about these buys from this zone, and like, look what happened. You know what I'm saying? Like, we talked about the equilibrium, where price was within the impulse leg, where the pullback was, lows to take out, what the zone was, and you could see what ended up happening. It was pretty crazy in my opinion. I definitely thought gold was a good play. I definitely hope you guys looked out for that. GJ, I remember we were looking for buys up into here to possibly take shorts, which ended up happening. You know what I'm saying? You can see here that we ended up getting the shorts later on during like post New York that I was looking for. But then after that happened, we got the rally. But what I was anticipating literally happened, because if you guys remember what I was talking about with these lows, I mean, you draw the low, like liquidity has been such a big part of trading lately. If you guys have been looking for zones, looking for the manipulation and stuff, like, look at that. Literally just taken down to the T where it got orders to come up. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely think we're going to get a retracement before continuing. But it's like, just pay attention to this, guys, with market structure, where the bias is and such. But I mean, look at that, just to the T. Gold hit it. But I think, I mean, GJ, not gold. I do think gold had the best setup. And then GA, if you guys were looking at GA, this was GA for last week's live stream. And then last night's live stream, we talked about this fib level price coming back down, which it did a deeper retracement than we kind of anticipated. But the overall move was bullish, just, you know, kind of coming down. And if we go to lower time, we're on the 15 right now. There's probably some sort of zone down here. That price, once again, took out these lows. Nice common play. Took out these lows. Nice liquidity. To then, yeah, there we go. You got the low, break, retest, you know, an entry somewhere within here would have been ideal. Makes sense. Does anyone have any questions about the setup? This is a good thing we can kind of go over. Do you guys understand GA and all this movement stuff? Give some W's in the chat. Shit crazy. Let's pop you guys out over here. Put you up in here. How was your guys' trading week so far? So far it's been one day. Last night during London, I had one stop loss, one TP, and then during New York, I had a nice NAS trade. That's been my week so far. How was your guys' week so far? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Look at this. Big move, retracement, continuation. Like guys, the market's just been freaking, you know, you can read like a book. 200 to 405 so far. Small account flip. Nice, bro. It's 100% return. A plus 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 plus. Let's go, Sasquatch. Good shit. 2 bangers, USD can UJ. Let's go. Come on, chat. Who else? Come on, Salva. You take anything? 1 trade. That's prepare for my next challenge. 1 trade. That's it. Prepare for my next challenge. There we go. Killer, Tony Gold. Let's keep killing it, guys. Oh, also announcement, guys. LA meet and greet with Mamba FX. Who here in the chat is from LA or from nearby who wants to come and get to meet us in person? Is anyone in LA here that would want to come do that? Make sure you guys you know, RSVP. When is it? It'll be August 10th. August 10th, meet and greet Mamba FX. It would be lit. I'm telling you. GJ and Gold so far this week. Let's go. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so we are caught up. I keep thinking it's lit. As fuck. Make sure you guys are there if you guys want to be there. I definitely recommend you guys to come through. Things keep popping, I'll make the trip. That's what I'm saying, bro. Hey, you got time. Then you don't got time. GA is just a trend. Like if you're like a trend line trader and you're just like, this is your safety line. If you're like Tori, bro, you're just no reason to get out of this trade. Just bing, bing, just chilling. OG, OG, OG. GJ. You. USD CAD. Things keep popping on. Make that trip. Let's go. Yo, what's good, gang? Yo, what's up? Junior Trades in the building. What's good? I'm looking at GA. Yeah, bro. GA isn't a nice trend. Are you just looking for more buys right here? Are you gonna ourselves or what? Tony Gold says, might have to treat myself to that. Luca, August 10th. Yes, sir, brother. If you want to come meet me and Mamba FX, I think Ollie will be there. I think Cowboy will be there as well. I don't know what other traders. I bet Amon probably will fly out if Mamba's me doing a meet and greet. But if you want to come, you know, meet some cool traders and stuff and listen to us talk, it'll be a good time for sure. I'm going to turn this off now. Let me know what you guys think with the light on. I'm going to turn my light off now. Oh. Light off, vibing. What y'all think? I'll turn this up a little bit, I guess. Oof. Kind of right now. Can't even lie. All right. GA and EU, bro. I haven't really traded those in a minute. I can't even lie. GJ still bay. Gold just been bay because honestly, the whole reason I started trading gold, guys, is first off the volatility. I was trading NAS, and the volatility with NAS has made me want to like trade it, obviously. But then on top of it, everyone in the chat seems to just want freaking gold. Everyone just wants to trade gold. So gotta do it. Simon, you just have to be patient, bro. Don't annoy me for sure. Don't be annoyed about it. You literally won last night, brother. Hey Luca, I'm good at sell position, but buy sucks in gold. Can you please help me with that? Thanks. I don't know what that really means, brother. Hey Luca, I am good at sell position, but buy post suck in gold. Can you please help with that? Thanks. I don't know what that means. What to look for buy setup? Oh, okay. For gold, yeah. So I definitely think that it's, you know, definitely bullish. So at least you know that. These are both supply areas going into last night. So let's break it down, guys. Go to the 5-minute. Go back down over to this area. You can see here on gold that I literally just, the main thing that I marked up was this being the impulse leg right here. I'll lift this high, and that price was going to come down. And look, it literally hit directly off the 786 before getting this beautiful move up, which we freaking kind of called. You know what I'm saying? Bink, bink, bink. So, like I said, definitely glad that you want to continue the buys, because that's what I would say too. I would mark up like this level of demand here now and anticipate price to come down. Why? Because you got to think that this is like basically just a whole order block that led to this big rally, and now we're within this range. So the fact that like we're kind of ranging between here doesn't make me want to take any trade. I really have to wait for price to really come down to a premium discount price, not premium, but discount. Maybe even sweep out these lows, honestly, come down to here before having the move. So I'm just waiting for, you know, some sort of pullback. I don't really want to take the buys if we just break above this yet, you know what I'm saying? So we got a trend line going there. We'll have to see. Light off is sick. Thank you, Tony Gold. Appreciate it. Can you give me a breakdown on Bitcoin, guys? Everyone spam some freaking, I don't even know. What is price at right now? Like 50 something? Spam some 58s in the chat. If you guys want me to break down Bitcoin, I haven't broke down Bitcoin in a minute. What's the 58s in the chat? $65? Good. I thought I dipped today. All right. That's not enough 58s in the chat. Come on now. Not stopping until we are not starting until we get the 58s in the chat. Everyone's saying 58s in the chat if you want me to break down Bitcoin. What's the best one to use? Anyone know? BTC, USD, I guess Coinbase. For that, I know I use Coinbase. There we go. I see some more 58s in the chat. Hell yeah, guys. Appreciate it. So yeah, we're around 65 actually. We got a little bit of a rally. I think I was looking earlier and we had kind of a dip over here. All right. So, if you guys didn't anticipate the buys, then I don't know what to tell you. Just because we got, you know, this is the easiest way I could put it. Let me turn this chart off because it'll confuse you. Sessions. The thing that I would say is this, guys. I'm not trying to be like a, you know, copycat if you've already heard this, but it's just true. So I know that there's, you know, people out there who haven't heard this. All right, so what happens to Bitcoin when things like the US dollar going down, etc.? Investors are scared. They'll put money, they'll put money into Bitcoin. But another reason is Donald Trump is a big advocate for crypto. This big thing of him getting freaking capped actually, once again, kind of pumped the liquidation. And it was at, ironically, like a pretty good level, because if you see here, we're on the 4 right now. This was its own like big range right here. You know, we tried to come down, liquidate here, but this was one of the biggest breaks we've had since all the way in, I guess, May. And what happened right after? Liquidate, formed a W, and now we're pumping again. So I definitely was anticipating, you know, BTC to get a pump. You could have just probably, you know, marched up this low. Once price started, you know, formed a W, started trading back above that price, then you know, easy, easy, easy. If that makes sense. Saba, what are you looking at? What about our USD? I mean euro? Yeah, I've been trading Euro USD in a little bit. You could see here, session indicator on. You know, we called the buys down from this area for this big impulse. That ended up playing out. I could do a top down. What is this? This trend line break too. Causes big impulse. I'm just gonna honestly remove the drawings, make it pretty clear. But I would say that like you clearly see price, you know, moving down to this downtrend. If you think about it, there's all these lower highs all the way up here as well. Can't see it here, here. Oh, you guys can see that. Yeah. You know, up here. And basically, I think that this could potentially be a new one. Because of kind of what's happening. You see here. Usually, if you guys haven't heard me say it before, but you know, when we get like those three highs like that, usually we get a big down turn. I've seen that a lot on Nas. I forget where I learned that from, but fuck, I definitely learned that from someone. Who was that? Let me play this. So on gold, flies on gold. So you're thinking buys. I mean, yeah, if you think about it, I definitely, you know, this is the impulse leg. Mark up the impulse leg, wait for a turnaround, but we also can identify where price just came and took out the highs. If you look left, these are Asia highs that haven't been taken out yet, that just got taken out before this dump. We're now back up in this area. And, you know what I'm saying? It's not that unlikely that we're getting that, you know, pushed down. Let's go down to like a lower, you know, lower time frame, like even the hourly. Impulse, correction. Lower time frames are not the most beautiful, I would say. But if you wanted to fib up this is the stream still lagging? God damn it. I really knew I should turn this on earlier. Like I said, guys, if you fib this up, I like doing this. This would have been its own fib level that came down here right to the 50% retracement to then lead to a new impulse. So we can move this low up there, this up there, and we're now in a very discounted price for sure. I can see these lows getting taken out, honestly. Looks like a sell downwards. And look at these highs. Definitely would have liked this rejection. Beep. It's out to the downside. I could see it coming down and liquidating down in here for sure. Have to wait and see. Is the stream still lagging? Chat or what? Like we good? Oh. EU. What do you think on GA junior trades? We did not liquidate the high. Tried to though. I said it earlier, but was there anyone here in LA? I didn't hear one person say that they were going. Come on now. There's not one person here from California who doesn't want to come kick it with me and Mamba and some of the traders. Be so lit. Bullish on GA? Yeah, bullish for sure. GJ, kind of crazy. I'd be focusing on gold because GJ right now looks like it's in a, you know, consolidation where a pullback is definitely likely. I'm going, bro. Hell yeah, Churro FX. I see you there, bro. Y'all see that Mamba my box side? Nah, bro. I don't think it's gonna happen. I was at lunch with Mamba today. And it's not that he like doesn't want to do it because he's scared or anything, but it's more of like if he wants to do it, he wants to do it with someone like Q Banks or you know. I think it would be a good, you know, it'd be like friendly sparring shit too. I mean, unless it would be actually be like that. Mama's big as fuck right now too, and he's fast. We went and played basketball after. That shit was hella fun. He's actually raw basketball. We played a game to like 15. He had probably like 12 points. Not gonna lie. Can't cap. I'm just waiting for resistance to form here on gold so we can get a pullback. Yeah. Mama versus Logan Paul. That's what I'm saying. Like he would do that. But I got love for them both, bro. So I wanted to do it. I wish Mama said that he would do Q Banks. No, not hey yo, pause. He would box Q Banks. That should be fun. Glad Mama box sides that they yeah, it's no beef or anything. They barely even talked honestly. Like I'm friends with them both, so they've kind of talked through me, but today was the first time they even kind of like remotely kind of discussed it. But Mamba had posted a boxing video and people were tagging Sai, and Sai was kind of down just because why not? You know what I'm saying? Sai's a good boxer. It's just like sparring stuff. Mamba's obviously huge. I think Sai obviously like used to watch Mamba and stuff too, so it's like, you know, it'd be cool. It's no beef at all. I don't think Sai hates Mamba at all. I don't think Mamba gives, you know, doesn't care. It's cool with Sai too, you know? No beef. That'd be fun though, bro. Like a lot of you guys always think about trying to come meet me Mamba and stuff. Like, this is your guys' opportunity. Literally you guys' opportunity. GU's taking a dumpy dump. Dumpy. GU and E are feeling very dumpy. Alright, DXY, what are you doing? Alright, DXY. Crazy. Oh, the DXY is flying. There's no reason it should come down anytime soon. Go to the 50. That's crazy. DXY is actually flying. Let's go, Dr. Dollar. Oh, bro, that's a good ass idea. I'll invite Dollar right now. That's a good ass idea. Texted. I texted him, so we'll see. That was a good idea. Dr. Dollar's a good, what's it called? Would be a good addition to the ingredient. You ever play with the 20 SMA? No, not the 20. I like my SMAs I use. And a lot of people ask me why I use it, and it's the same. It's kind of the strategy thing. You know how I tell you guys not to change strategies because you're like, you kind of just mix things all together. Same reason I don't really mix my EMAs or SMAs and stuff, because I've been using them for so long. My eyes identify with it. Like if I go up here and like I'm gonna close my eyes and like just, you know what I'm saying, like if this was like a random, you know what I'm saying, I don't know, okay, this was obviously a bad example, but I can in my head like kind of like I've been watching it for so long, like kind of know like how the SMA like moves, especially the 8, you know what I'm saying? Like it would look something like that. You know what I'm saying? Just from like my memory, I know that like if we had a bullish move, it would be moving close below it. Usually sometimes it comes right below it, comes back, but whatever. And it kind of just stays right in between it. And usually when we get little moves like this, I love. And it's funny that I drew it out because I just see it in my head now. But when you get a 3-step, so like the trend is bullish. So we're looking for buys. You guys can see that there. The trend is bullish. So we're looking for buys. Like this is the bullish. You can't see how deep this goes, but this is the bullish move. We're getting the move down. This was the liquidation. No. This was like the low that was created that led to high being broken. Boom. What happened? Low. Sorry, I was looking up here. I don't know why I look down here. Right here, this is the big liquidation that happens that leads to the break of structure, and then price comes down, and usually we use that demand lined up with the SMA, like the ASMA, and this is like that A+ setup that then, you know, your entry is right in here, like this. Does that make any sense? For some reason, I was looking about this monitor at the OBS and was trying to target it instead of looking at the actual. Yeah, that was so funny. But like I said, guys, I just use the I've used the smooth moving averages for so long. I just automatically know with my head like what it kind of would look like. And if this is the trend, we're getting kind of a move down, nice support formed, boom, liquidation, back trading above AMA, boom, tap into the demand, holding the SMA, and that's the entry. Like this is such a solid, like literally, like you guys should just look for that. There's videos online about it. I also have so many videos about it. In my VIP, there's so many videos about it. But moving just has the 50, no, the 8. Like if you guys go to the 5-minute, I use the 8 religiously. So I just go try to find like a setup of one that like I kind of like just explained. It's like right here, kinda. Ready? Hello, Luca. What's up, Carla? W's in the chat for Carla. Gold could fly real good. Bro, Carla's been killing it. She's been sending me a couple of her charts. She's fucking doing better than me. All right. This was just crazy because, guys, once again, heading into London last night, I said all I wanted to see was like these lows get liquidated. Oh, fuck. I've had this marked up here, and this is actually my first time kind of like really like looking at it in depth. But we draw this over to the side. You see exactly what I'm kind of talking about, that like, you know, we're trading back below. We liquidate, come back up to the upside, and kind of when we come and retest, you get the move to kind of, you know, be trading back above it. This is, I guess not the best example. I guess right here, where, just like you guys can see that like when you know, you mark up these demands, a lot of the times when you get moves away, you'll get the retest not only in the demand zones, but you see this blue or the purple SMA. It's the same one that I just was drawing up, that a lot of the time, even when we're trading below it, how you kind of know that like structure is ready to go again is we're trading back above it, come and retest properly, and then that's usually when you can get a good setup to continue. You know what I'm saying? So Salva knows it too. Like, wait, Salva, you still religious with the 8, right? Like, guys, if you want to take like a supply setup or whatever, like you need the 8 to be moving in your direction. Like that's it's just kind of law. If it's not, it's pretty hard otherwise. If that makes sense. Saint Clay Sever UA. Thank you, bro. He said gems, bro. Dropping gems, dropping gems. Everyone in the chat, let me know what indicators you guys use. You know, I definitely think you should learn how to trade without indicators first, but it's always good if you can use some as confirmations. Kind of like for me, like I have this yellow one, the 200. The 200 for me is really shows me the overall direction. If I'm not trading with the 200 and trading against it, then I'm definitely not trading with the direction. You fuck with Babytron? I love Babytron, bro. Hell yeah. VWAP's good. I like VWAP. Kind of similar, but it's all across. 21, 21, 21, 21. Babytron's got that heat for sure, bro. Thank you to everyone who shared what your guys' thing was. All right, guys, we're breaking out bullish on gold. You can see here it's making my trend line. You know, I like waiting for a deeper pullback, but you know, if you want to be able to break out straight, this is what the position would kind of look like. So there's a couple reasons why I wouldn't want to take this trade, but there's one that doesn't have to do with the, I would say, I don't know how to put it. Fuck. Actually, let's just see the guesses first. Someone guess. What is one of the reasons on top of, you know, it being a breakout, whatever, like what other reasons do you think? There's one in particular I'm thinking of, and it'll be a good learning lesson. Like you guys should definitely pay attention. Especially if you understand market structure, candlesticks formations, trade naked with an indicator so much better. Exactly. Jesus, my only indicator. I love it. Give me a couple reasons. I'm either gonna say yay or nay. Are they gonna be right or wrong? It's in premium Sasquatch with the. I thought no one would get it. I thought no one would freaking get it. Oh, and the real action also got it. Retrace and go. Same type of thing. Just different terminology. But basically, guys, it's too far up. And that's what I talk about with like when it comes to breakouts, like if you have like this high and you're taking it above, like a lot of the time, if it's like an hourly closure or 4 hour, yes, you're gonna get like the breakouts are gonna work. But when you're trading within a range where you still have this high to break, this is only a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio to get up to this high. And there's no saying that price might not just get you in a profit a little bit and then come back down and never break the high. You know what I'm saying? So when you're taking a breakout like this, I always like really consider like, is it worth my money trying to just chase a 1-to-1? Or should I be patient to over here in not the premium, but the discount? Because then you have like a similar size stop loss, but you have like a 1-to-7 potential. And for someone like me who's just trying to get 1-to-3, 1-to-4, bro, like this is why I try to go for these plays. Or even if you were to fib up like something within here, even like I'd say within here or even like there, but it's just, once again, these are just so much more likely, and you get more risk reward ratio and just better overall trades if you wait for price to be in a discount rather than like a premium. Does that make sense? You guys put W's in the chat if that makes sense. Premium in the 5 minute? No, it's not. Bro, I played basketball today with Mamba for the first time in so long, bro. My leg, I'm lucky dead. I was fucking dead. If you guys can't tell. But moving on, baby Hospy. What time is it? 7:43. Can everyone in the chat do one smash on gold long? Yeah, number 3 we could tell. Yeah, I probably more than 3. Where'd you long from though? Because once again, to get a 1 to 3, you probably had to do it somewhere down in here, or maybe down in here. Yeah, like down in here, fire. That'd be gas. GJ's kind of cooked. GA just is forming a nice market structure, but it goes back to it being too high right now. I'm trading futures though. Oh. Futures gold. Sick. EUG possible. I mean, I still want them to buy, kind of like the dollar rising right now is not the most likely. Let's go out to here. This could be the impulse leg going down. Like if we fib up this going down, we are technically in a discount for a sell move, but y'all can see that prices formed not, basically broken retest into the demand, came up and did the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Or this is just price showing that it really doesn't want to break. And now it's even leading to, that to then now a break of structure where, a retracement to look for further longs wouldn't be the, craziest thing ever. You know what I'm saying? Mm. What about clear this gold? Yeah, I mean GU and EU. Alright, so we took out the Asia lows, came down to the 5 minute. You guys like that one? It's a pretty clean 5 minute on Euro USD. What y'all think? Crazy. Young, right around with a yeah. Is there any pairs that I haven't gone over that you guys would want to hear? Could be lift off on what? On gold? Gold's retracing. This is what I was saying, bro. It's even doing what I was kind of talking about. That there's no the momentum is just gonna die right there. Is there any questions about like supply and demand or any of that type of stuff as well? This is a safe place, guys. Safe place. Everyone here can just share whatever they want. You know, just ask whatever you want. I'm gonna grab some real quick though. Y'all already know I have that fucking big ass gift box thing. I have these like sour things that will fucking hopefully wake me up. Crazy. Is anyone else here also? Oh, I did that poll. Do you use maker models in your analysis, bro? What's that? All right, blood sugar back up. Easy. Saba, what are you looking at? GG looks like a bitch. Why did it fly like this during Asia? Oh, I guess it's a yen pair. That makes sense. Gold for tonight? Hell yeah. For what? Demand? Send me a picture. Send me a picture number and I'll pull it up. Hologram. Yeah. Nice lows takeout. Hell yeah. Asia lows close too. Ooh, at the level. I like. If I would like to gift you something, would there be a way to gift it to you? Yeah, I actually have a place you could send it to. I have like one of those addresses. I can go pick it up from there or something. Yeah, if you guys want to send me shit, maybe I'll send something back. You continue buying that bearish, engulf him. Just buy from there. Buy from here? But I'm not buying from up here. No way, no. No, no, it's not going to come down there. You're telling me gold's not going to come down here. What if it does? Can we have a deal? Because everyone always tells me on the live streams, like, oh, no, it's not going to do that. And then it usually does. So, what's the deal? I'd like to know more about liquidity sweeps. Can be tricky at times. All right, guys, my biggest advice for liquidity sweeps is simple. Look for trend, right? Trend. Trend is always on your friend. How liquidity usually works is it's always in the opposite direction of the trend. So if the trend's bullish, usually what happens is you'll get like basically like false lows, you know what I'm saying? And price a lot of the times just needs lows to take out to then once again liquidate them, where a lot of like people would be like, oh, like sell, you know, people try to sell like that, right? A lot of the time is that if it's with trend, usually this is an indication of like a liquidity grab, or some people call like turtle soup, to actually buy up from there like that. Dice. So the way that I would look for liquidity grabs is that like, actually, because I could talk about this for a while, guys, because like one of the biggest things that I kind of just even kind of went over when I gave you guys the advice about using the 200 EMA or 200 SMA. Sasha says gold. If this 30-minute close is bearish, then the next candle goes up and flips bearish, I will take a short on the break of its own lows that I'm looking for. There we go. Sasquatch is looking for shorts. But then we have Sonny Adams saying that's not going to go down. You know what I'm saying? So it's just no one's ever right. But one thing that's important about looking for like lows to be taken out, continuations, all that type of stuff, is that, bro, I forgot what I was going with it, honestly. I can't even lie. I'm the biggest baby. I'm the richest baby. And a higher low. Yeah, like it always needs to make a higher low. It's not just gonna keep making highs. Break his baby. Bro, you know, anytime a trend broke out, it's gonna break out for over 150 pips. No, it's not. Like what? I mean, this just broke out, and bro, it's like we're retracing. Like you having a conviction, like you know, like I don't know. I definitely wouldn't say that you're just like right. You know, you're not completely wrong. Like there's definitely times that happens, but you just saying that and being like, oh, it's not going to come down. Like bro, it could easily sell off. You could just go right now, check the daily and weekly on gold as. Yeah. Well, guys, I already said this. Gold should buy. I'm bullish on gold. I'm not saying like, because I'm not trying to sell. You know what I'm saying? Sasquatch is the one that said that he'll probably sell in this lower high. No, I'm just waiting for more of a retracement to continue the buy. It's just too high to buy from here. All this is a no-no zone. Like, if we get a closure above here, right above here, then we're way more likely. You know? You enter break a candle, or as soon as it hits the zone, break a candle always. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, if you pull out your Fibonacci tool, guys, y'all, you know, Fibonacci is just the easiest way to test the trend and see if we're in a, you know, premium or a discount. Price clearly has already come down into the discount and we're reacting off of it, right? But what I like to do after that, zoom in, go down to it, fib it up, and we're not even back down into premium. So, like I said, it doesn't need to come back down all the way to these levels, but I need to see some sort of liquidation, because if we're taking out highs right now, why would I want to buy? You know what I'm saying? I'm too late to it. I should have bought down in here. It's too late to the move. We're down in here, like the one that we marked up. And the whole kind of thing behind like liquidation is that, you know, a lot of the time you get your stop loss hit. That's just how trading works, and you lose money. But how do I put it? If you look for liquidity to be taken out before you enter a trade, you're less likely to become liquidity. So like for this, we're already taking out highs, and it looks like we're going to maybe come retrace and gain some more liquidity before going back up. You know what I'm saying? 60% of the time, 60% I'm right all the time, trader's life. Hello, brother. What's up, Deepak? Please, sir, which pair? No, it's talking about check. Gold. I've been saying, guys, this is gold. This literally is just gold. And like I said, guys, I'm bullish on gold because I technically was already bearish on the DXY, but you can see the DXY got a push today. So I don't know. I thought with the whole Trump thing and how the economy's going, that gold would probably go down. You know what I'm saying? I don't think people are that thrilled with what the US is doing. Where they're going to want to consider gold a safe haven to put their money there. So I would look at the inverse of the DXY going, you know, if the DXY is going down, gold should be going up. So we go to gold. We're looking at trend. This is obviously the bullish trend, and we're really just looking for pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? If we get pullbacks, then it's too easy. Too easy. Clarification, breakout towards liquidity zones. Wait. Clarification, breakouts towards liquidity zones, mainly fake outs. That's like such an easy way to put it. We should fucking copy and paste that. Breakouts towards liquidity zones are mainly fake outs. Bro, that's like the simplest way to put it. A breakout towards... yeah, exactly, bro. I love that. I'm gonna copy and paste that. Key part is candle closure. Candle closure is huge. I have a lot of my stop loss taken out only to go in the direction I was right. How do we? I have a lot of my stop loss taken out only for it to go in my direction. How do I fix that? That's what I'm talking about when it comes to liquidity, bro. Because like, we know what the direction is. Like, you knew the direction was the direction you took the trade in, but then it retraced and stopped you out. So first off, is having your stop loss in correct placement. So if you take a buy here, making sure you have it like below some sort of lows. You know what I'm saying? That's first off, but understand that price may come down, take them out, and then go. So I would say two things. First off, wait for liquidity to be taken, but then second off, don't be afraid to give your trade a second chance. Because if it just takes you out, goes and kind of, you know, has a change of character to go back with your bias, that's one of my rules, is that I max myself out at 3 trades, like in a session. And one of my rules is that the third trade has to kind of be in a line with the same bias or whatever as the second one. Like, I can't just like freaking, I don't know. Because then I just feel like I'm chasing the trade. Because a lot of the time, at least in my past, let's say like I bought and I like hit stop loss and then it consolidated and I kind of broke out for sells, I would sell and it would hit stop loss, and then it would kind of break out for buys again, and I'll try to buy again, and it would hit stop loss. So it's like I need to stick with a bias is what I'm trying to say, is that like, if I'm wrong with the bias for the day, then I'm just trash, then I'm just a bad trader. But I'll give myself basically 3 freaking bullets to hit it. Does that make sense? So funny, so funny. $3 phones. Junior trade says that's crazy. What's crazy? What's crazy? Do y'all understand that? It looks like a lot of you guys are like really liking that. Yeah, so like, you know, just don't be afraid to give yourself a second chance. I'm the realest, baby. I know somebody who does that buy and sells multiple times chasing a trade. Yeah, bro. I mean, that's just part of trading. Like, y'all have done that too, where you like buy and then you try to sell after, and then you buy again, and then it just sells. You know what I'm saying? You're like, what the fuck? 50K a night. Hedge, bro's a bank. I'm the bank. Who wants to go band for band? Actually, no, I sound like a douchebag, but actually, I'm not gonna pull it out. I put some cash here to. Oh, I need to dial down my trading again, so I usually will pull some cash out, go crazy. But I don't think I should show you guys. Baby. Pull up in the baby. The baby suit dice. 50K a night. Serve heights. Oh, this song's so hard. Nick said hella red. I showed Nick's on Discord because we had just run Discord before this, but hell yeah. Bro, this song's fire. New little baby. Bro, gold is selling. Whoever told me that gold is going to go up from there, like, I hope you're just, like, your stop loss is just getting absolutely just demolished. I'm the biggest baby. That's a little harsh. I don't wish that, but bro, like, I'm not going to buy that high. Need to see some lows get taken out or something. I'm on the PJ shooting dice. 50K a night. Big Zog. Gotta pay the price. Nix, where are you, bro? You seeking, I bet. Let's look left. Let's mark up this low, guys. We're taking out previous lows over here. I'm the realest, baby. What murder? Guys, should I stream tomorrow? I usually take Wednesdays off, but should we stream tomorrow? What do we think, chat? There's no other confirmations for buys yet other than it's bullish. That's such a good way to fucking put it. It's like, yes, it's bullish. You know, like, yes, it's bullish, but we're not buying yet. Bad time. There's no yeah, exactly. Yes. See y'all going crazy. I'll go live if Nix comes live with me. Nix, what's good? You gonna go live with me? What's good? Bro, we gotta start. Come on. Dude, it's Tuesday tomorrow? Jesus Christ. Well then, yeah, I probably will be live then. That's actually hilarious. That just goes to show how tired I am for the day. That's actually hilarious. Wednesday stream, I'm down, bro. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Okay, well look at this, guys. Look at gold. Gold taking out a low, tapping into this demand now. So now this makes it a little bit more valid. We have these little lows taken out. Yes, it's not massive. It's only on the 5-minute time frame, but this is at least a pullback, taking out some sort of liquidity before going. I would like this to get taken out a little more, but you know, after that rejection, you could do something like this. But once again, I'm not getting into this just yet. I'm just showing you guys. If it does come and hit stop loss, then once again, we can understand that might be a liquidation to if we get a break of structure, break and retest. Same type of thing, guys. But we'll see. Do you guys see the lows that I'm talking about though? Like, I need you guys to be able to identify this. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? It touched the 200 EMA, which, where on the 15? Look at it, hit the 8 EMA, or the SMA to the T. AUD, USD, damn, I would trade this in the mid either. Crazy. Why is USD CAD just mooning? It's the you know, inverse correlation to GU. GU's taking out lows though, so that could be an indication that we understand that USD CAD should be looking for some sort of rejection area soon. We go to the hourly. Oh, I guess we're tapping into this one up here. Yo, what up, Cam? W's in the chat for Cam. What's good? Good to see you, brother. Oh, bap, oh, bap. What was this? Oh, this is gold. So let's wait for the lows. Maybe we can get another turtle soup or what? Where was it? Where'd the guy go that said I couldn't sell? I want to see how it reacts at 2428. 2428. Oh yeah, we're right at like round psychological level also. Yes, I'm dead, Saba. I'm dead. I'm in a lamb truck who's stopping me. I missed that. That's probably. So guys, I mean, look at this. This is the same type of thing where let's say you were bearish. Let's say that like instead of, you know, having a bullish, like, you know how like I was thinking bullish here and how this is the retracement to continue to then retrace to continue possibly. But if we're vice versa, where we're thinking this is sells and this is the retracement to sell more like this, one thing we can look at is going a little deeper and considering this a liquidity grab. Why? Because you see it's a clear high that was taken out to then form like a clear, just change of character, like a high, break, retest, form supply, and it's selling off now, you know what I'm saying? So definitely can consider that. This is probably. Honestly, how to figure in the road. Okay. Hey. I would say GJ's cooked for tonight, guys. I wouldn't want to even trade GJ. Gold, you know, we're going to get sell off now. We're going to look for some sort of, you know, gold tap target. Did it hit 1, 2, 2? Not quite. Yeah, I did take out that low, though. We are getting a liquidation of that low. You know what I'm saying? So, definitely a good start. Like I said, guys, waiting for lows to be taken out, so you're less likely to become them. We'll have to see, though. Very cute. I got a question, chat. What do you guys think about Alex G's fucking $100 to like 100,000 or whatever? Y'all buying it or what? He's capping. Yeah, right. That's what I think. Stupid. Look at that. Did this liquidate it or did it stop? Look at that, guys. Liquidated it to the T. Can you guys see that? When I'm my eyes on that, I damn near shed a tear. Yeah. Bow, bow, bow. All right, guys. Can you explain liquidation, why it's on point, and why the market does it? Yes, I went over this on the last live stream, but it's pretty simple once I explain it. So I like to ask questions alongside with it to really make you guys understand before besides me just like, blabbing it all out. So my first question to you guys when talking about liquidity is, if we are trading and you're in a buy position and you are making money and you're up a certain amount, what does that mean? Loser on the other side, exactly. So best way I can explain liquidity or liquidation and stuff is that, like, if you're in buy positions and you're making money, it's because you have the sell side liquidity that you're taking because there's people in sell positions, right? So think about hedge funds and big banks and institutions that, are putting billions of dollars into the market. They need billions of dollars of liquidity for their positions. Why? Because you can't just go and place a buy position for freaking 100 million if there's not 100 million in opposing, whatever. So the banks and their jobs, like the traders' jobs, is literally to build liquidity between levels to then be able to distribute. So like literally, like I said, there's so many people getting stopped out in between to get a bigger pullback to go. So like, I mean, there's even a clip about some hedge fund guy talking about it, but it just goes back to like, if price is making, if this is the trend, you never want to fight the trend. If it's a bullish trend, you're literally, that's why equilibrium is important, is because like no hedge funds, no banks, whatever, are buying above the 50%. They're all waiting for deeper pullbacks because there's, more liquidity sitting here because they're gaining liquidity in here, build it all up while also getting in sellers that when they buy, it's like they already stopped out all the buyers and they also are about to go stop out all the sellers on the way where they have enough liquidity for their positions. That's why you'll see your stop loss get hit out, because you're taught to put your stop loss in obvious places that hedge funds and banks and institutions know about. Why the frick do you guys think? I was kind of going this early, like before, but guys, like we're all taught to buy at support, put your stop loss right below the low. You know what I'm saying? Well, why do you think that price usually will go a couple ticks right below the low and then all of a sudden go back in the other direction? Is it your broker? Is it the broker? No. I mean, I'm not saying no because that can't happen, because obviously that can happen. But if you check TradingView, like if TradingView and other things match up with it, and there's not, because like sometimes your broker will like leave a huge wick. Like you see here how this wick came down and took out the low. Some may like come way down. You know what I'm saying? But basically, like I said, like, yeah, retail trader, like they're literally like there's people out there, like their literal job is building up liquidity to then be able to pump positions. I was so happy one of the wasn't that then this shit too. And that's why I like getting in positions like this, where it's like a liquidity grab, put your stops below and have it distribute, because it makes sense to put your stop loss below liquidity grabs, because it's like price already took out the stop losses in this area where you can put your stop loss there comfortably, because, if it goes back below and it like stops you out or whatever, that just means it wasn't right and you were incorrect on the whatever. But with our conviction of this being a little, trend pulling back, taking out liquidity to then continue, it just makes more sense. understanding that it already took liquidity, put your stop loss below the low, and then let it do its thing. Basically, let it rop out. Is tag considered to grab the lows look equal? This actually did take out. It looks equal, but we zoomed in, and this actually did take this low out. So this was the liquidity grab I was talking about. That actually, you know, I've been talking about this move. But I drew out it doing something like this more. You know what I'm saying? It just hasn't really pulled back much. But gold's in a way better position than when, you know, they said to buy up here. Goes back to building liquidity. It's everyone getting stopped out all the way on the way down to then once again for freaking get in sellers to then distribute. That's why when it came to GU and stuff, I was talking about, oh yeah, look at GU. We look left. We have previous session lows that have not been taken out under all these lows. Y'all can't say I didn't put that up. DXY coming back down. Yep. What about EU? EU taking out lows right now. So it could be going to do something similar to GU. Or you can wait right here where it's previous session lows. If this gets taken out, you guys can literally set an alert and freaking take buys. Put a buy limit. It's gonna look something like this. I'm just gonna put this here and it's gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? It was so funny when one of the shit. So yeah, guys, GJ is just cooked for the night. I wouldn't say that. Gold, congrats if you did get in on that little impulse, bro. I mean, telling you guys, this is the leg. This is the downtrend into the area which we find interesting. Wait for the indecision candle. Oh, look at it, and then this high just got taken out. Literally just liquidity to liquidity, guys. I would have seen this and been like, you know, I'm not in the position. I would have seen this and been, oh, closing partials. All right. We had the move. We took liquidity above here. We might not have enough strength all the way up here. Like, yes, I want price to go up here, but, you know, price does not give a fuck what I want. It already did that. I scalped gold up. Let's go. Create wealth. Let's go, guys. Like I said, a lot of the stuff I go on the streams, guys, are completely valid. I go over so many good setups and all type of stuff. But so guys, we're gonna do the giveaway in a couple minutes. The giveaway we're gonna do tonight is actually gonna be on my Instagram post, just because, bro, it didn't do that well, and I thought this was a good ass video. This one.
People that like may not have a lot of savings and that your income is not there.
Why is the sound not playing?
I've just noticed so much lately, especially in the trade industry, people just doubt themselves. There's people that like may not have a lot of savings and that your income is not there, and they might be like, you know, poor at this moment, but because that their situation they're in now, they're not letting themselves reach their full potential because of just, you know, staying stationary and stagnant at where they're at, not believing in themselves, thinking they can actually get out of their situation. I've just noticed so much lately, especially in the trade industry, people just doubt themselves.
Everyone go and leave a comment on that. I'll be looking for a comment. Maybe, you know, write a little story or a little something. And I'm going to go through and pick one in like 5 minutes for the giveaway. Please don't spam more. If I see you comment more than like 3-4 times, then you're not even valid for the giveaway. Maybe you'll get extra points if you share it and tag me. Yeah, I'll pick from there. Make sure y'all like it as well. Like, comment, share, tag me. Gangsta. $11:30. Yeah, we'll do it in like 4 minutes. Gold structure was perfect yesterday. Nice little liquidity grab on it for sure. On gold, yeah, shit was fucking. I agree. Todd, were you here? Sabo said, yup. Sab, what do you think about the gold pullback? Am I cracked out on the 1 minute right now or what? Or is that valid? Ooh, if you just filled that fair value gap. Just came and filled this low fair value gap, getting a little push after. Crazy, but you guys already know that we already took this high out, so it's not as probable that we might just go right back up to it. We might have to come down a little bit more before coming back up. We'll have to wait and see, but that would be honestly be good because once again, it's just building more liquidity to then go. You feel me? Make sure I got a like on that as well. For sure, for sure. Nick, are you in the chat? I'll text you. Y'all smell that too? What are we smelling? If y'all don't see the fair value gap I'm talking about, it's this high right here to then this low. All in between. It literally just wicked right into it and then distributed. Together for value gap. Y'all think we should move up the where is it? Nick, are you on the live? There we go. All right, guys, make sure you guys keep going and commenting and liking and sharing, tagging me on this. I'll announce the winner soon. I'm the realest baby, not the baby. Bro, you gotta attack him in. What was GU doing? Back down. EU. Falling. GJ, can we look left and see anything? I don't see it. You said break even when price is 1 to 1. Usually honestly 1 to 2. Especially with like indices. You know what I'm saying? I'm the littest baby. Not the littest baby. Yo, what's up, Gerardo? How you doing, bro? How you doing? How you doing? Downtrend. Crazy. Gold coming back down too. GJ still just cooked. GA? Is GA? Ooh, GA's taking out lows. Yeah, that's good to see. Double. Double trouble. You know what I'm saying? Like plays like this, guys, like it's just these have been what's playing out. Taking out lows. Going. The 200 is down here though, so we might even come take it out some more. But it's definitely a good setup to pay attention to. Giveaways on Insta? Just like, yeah, I'm commenting on this post. Don't comment multiple times, literally just comment. Only your max is 3, or like 3 or 4. Maybe 3. I think 3 is a good one. I'm doing good, bro. I'm hella tired today. First day I wouldn't play basketball in a while. Right before this. So I'm really freaking exhausted, honestly. It's been a minute. Feels good though. Whoa, did that just happen in a second? Yeah, we're on the 1 minute chart. That just happened right now. Am I tripping or did that just like right now happen? I feel like it was just right there. I feel like I'm tripping. Taking out new low into the demand. Giving out sauce to you. Terms for the giveaway. You just gotta comment, bro, and then I pick one, and then you send me your email, and I send it to some people, and hopefully they just send it to your email. Do you have the same amount of risk? Do you have the same amount of risk in terms of USD for trades with a big SL and small SL? Yes, you just gotta change your lot size. That's the only difference, really. This is right. Volume is so slow today, that's what I'm saying. Oh, it does become my eyes. Volume is slow, even on I was about to say even on gold, and then went beer. What's GA doing? Down GJ. All right, guys. It's like a random. Yeah, it should work. I mean, pump up your mic volume. My mic should be good. My mic should be good. Alright guys, gold about to go crazy. He's about to rocket. Couldn't say I didn't tell you so. Alright, but I appreciate everyone who did go and leave me a comment on the new video, guys. It also doesn't cost anything. You guys should already be commenting and showing love on days when it's not. If you guys see that I post, just go leave a comment and a like and share it. Really does help me. Even send it back to me. It just helps the algorithm and helps us get some new people in. But there only can be one winner. And the winner is probably picked on this next page. So I wanted to wait for a second. But that's basically it. Thank you to everyone. And the winner is, drumroll please. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, just kidding. Haha, you thought. And the winner is Sajan Basnet. Let me know, brother, if you're here in the chat. You got to be here on YouTube. But I didn't announce anywhere else, so I'm guessing you are here on YouTube. Just let me know if you are here, brother. You are the winner. Sajan Basnet. He said, yes, it's me. Congratulations, brother. W's in the chat for you. Guys, should we go check? Did he comment like hella times?
I just noticed so much lately.
Or what? I'm the realest, baby. Congratulations, bro. Make sure you no, he only put some hearts. That's love, bro. I appreciate you. I hope you pass the account and make a lot of Skrilla with it. Big W's to that boy, Sajan. Congratulations, my guy. Like I said, guys, it doesn't cost anything to show some love, so make sure y'all, oh, wow, look at gold, guys. Oh, my God. Oh. Actually disgusting. I might get out of here in a second, but once again, guys, I want to take a video. So once again, guys, I want to put it on my, I keep saying once again. I want to get more people here on the live stream. So if you guys can, put some W's in the chat. Spam W's, guys. Thank you guys for all coming. Spam W's that, go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Bunch of W's, guys. Spam W's like there's no tomorrow. More W's, more W's, more W's. I don't know how you guys are just gonna keep missing out on all the live streams. I mean, come on. W's in the chat. Oh, frick. My finger slipped off of it. Guys, more W's. Spam them. Spam the W's. How are you gonna miss out on another night of absolute bangers? People going crazy in the chat. W's, W's, W's. If you have not gone to the live streams, guys, click the link right here and subscribe. I'll be back on tomorrow, but we're going absolutely crazy. I'm telling you, every single live stream broken down to the T. Come on now, no one does it like us. NOT to the top. Come join for the next stream, which is tomorrow. Click this link, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. That was chill, but I appreciate y'all. Y'all the goats. Would be nothing without y'all. If y'all want to come join VIP, bro, yeah, you guys definitely come join VIP also. Like, if you're not part of the actual NLT group yet, I highly recommend it. There's the link, guys. Use code FORTH, use code TRADE. I think they both still are active, but that's how you get in. I hope you guys have a blessed night. If you guys need anything, my DMs are open. Like I said, you guys can DM me. Send me my own stuff. Send me your stuff. I can like and comment on it. All that good stuff. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the best. NLT to the moon. Make sure you guys are in the Discord and have a safe trade tonight. Don't blow your accounts. Be smart. Love you guys. Peace.